యువర్ సెల్ఫ్, రైట్ యువర్ ఓన్ స్క్రీన్ ప్లే. నీ జీవితానికి నువ్వు అనే ఒక కథని నువ్వు రాసుకుని 100% చేస్తావు. You are thinking I'm 18, I'm 19, what can I do? This man who is 61 now, I don't want to say my age 61, but I put it in this way, Pradeep version 61.0. Pradeep version 61.4 started his life at the age of 19. You can Google it, you can YouTube it, go home and then say, look for Muddamandaram, old film. I was the hero. I started 19 years at 19 years. You all seen KGF? Ujjwal Kulkarni, the editor of Pan India, the great film KGF, is just 20 years old. People who want to create wonders never look at ages. They look at gauges. How gauge I am, how I am this one. I'm not worried about anything in the life because I am a self-confident individual. Coming back to our ask, A for attitude. What is attitude? Attitude is a showcase of a showroom called you. నువ్వు అనబడే ఒక షోరూమ్ కి నీ యాటిట్యూడ్ షోకేస్ లాంటిది. If you like someone likes us, they walk into our lives. If someone do not like, they go away from us. Why in a group discussion, which is going to happen in your second semester of the 4th year, 4.2, it is going to happen in the campus recruitment. A group discussion is held not to test your communication skills. It is held only to test your attitude. Are you dominating somebody in the team? What is your attitude? 105 brothers, Kauravas and Pandavas, they were learning the nuances of archery from Guru Dronacharya. Dronacharya wanted to look at the tree, everyone could see it. Dronacharya wanted to look at the stem, few of them could see at the stem. Dronacharya wanted to look at the green bush leaves, some of them could see that. Dronacharya wanted to look at the green parrot in the green leaves, only Arjuna could do it. Dronacharya wanted to look at the black eye of the green parrot, only Arjuna could look at it. Dronacharya wanted to aim it, Arjuna could aim it. Dronacharya wanted to hit it, Arjuna could hit it, just because he believed in himself, not in anybody, that I can do it. You need to believe in yourself. That is your attitude. Positivity. What is positivity we are talking about? Are నేను రాత్రి సినిమా పోయారా, సగం థియేటర్ ఖాళీగా ఉంది. అరే నిన్న రాత్రి సినిమాకి వెళ్తే ఇఫ్ హాఫ్ థియేటర్ ఇస్ ఎంప్టీ, వాట్ డస్ ఇట్ మీన్? అదర్ హాఫ్ ఇస్ ఫుల్. లుక్ ఎట్ ద బ్రైటర్ సైడ్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ లైఫ్. I and my friend went to a hotel. I ordered for a plate of idli. My friend ordered for a plate of vada. I was eating it, just looked at him. He was not eating idli, vada. He was looking at vada. I said, what has happened, my friend? He said, sir, Anjayam, sir. I said, what has happened? Sir, this is unfair, sir. I said, what has happened? Sir, he is looting us, sir. Tell me what has happened. He said, look at the hole in the vada, sir. How much money the hotel fellow is making by keeping a hole in the vada. What kind of a negativity is this? Then I made to myself, I made a statement. This statement you do not get in any Google. You don't search for it because it is a statement of Swami Pradiptananda, nobody else. What is the statement I have written here? Don't look at the HOLE, hole. Don't look at the HOLE, hole of the vada. But look, vada as a whole, WHOLE, you start enjoying. What you do not have, never count on that. What you do not have, never count on that. Only count on what you have. A fish cannot be judged by climbing up the tree. A fish cannot be judged by climbing up the tree. A squirrel can be. Similarly, a squirrel cannot judge by swimming in the water. A fish can be. You are unique. You are special. It is you. Don't compare yourself with anyone. You are a special designer, model. Nobody will be there. Exclusively created by the God here. That should be our attitude. 100% guarantee, I cannot become Chiranjeevi sir. 100% guarantee, I cannot become megastar in Chiranjeevi sir. But 10,000% guarantee, Chiranjeevi sir cannot become Pradeep. Because I am unique, I am special, it's me. Did you see a bodyguard with me? Did you see anybody coming here? Did you see somebody waiting here? Did you see I have a grown face, not a smile on my face? Did you see anyone coming with me? I am one man army. I I don't need anybody because I'm confident. It's unique, it's special, it's me. Sachin Tendulkar at the age of 15 walked into a fourth test match against Pakistan in Lahore. India were 18 for 4. Sachin Tendulkar was 15 years and 11 months old. While he was walking on after the dismissal of Ravi Shastri, Sidhu was there on the other end. Sidhu said, pitch is worst and the ball is coming awkward balls. Please take care of yourself. Sachin said, yes. The very first ball he faced was from Waqar Younis, 142 km speed, and the ball bounced and then hit his helmet. From there it hit his nose and the blood started pouring it down. White clothes, red dhavas on the blood. Entire stadium was saying, बच्चे चले जा, तेरी बस की बात नहीं है, बच्चे चले जा, तेरी बस की बात नहीं, जाके दूध पियो, चले जाओ, चले जाओ, चले जाओ. The physio came, the doctor came, everybody said, come, you can be retired hurt. But you know Sachin's voice, in this entire atmosphere disturbances, one feeble voice came out. He said, मुझे खेलना है, I want to play. That day, he went on to score 78 not out. My dear friends, if you are not mentally fit, you are not possibility thinker, if you don't have that openness, flexibility, then you don't have attitude. Attitude is not getting and forgetting, attitude is giving and forgiving. Start developing, friends. Start networking with people. Your attitude today is going to be, it is only a seed. Tomorrow it's going to be a big tree. When you join an organization, people say, whoa, what a kind of a person he is, what a kind of a leader she is, and then they start people flocking around you just because of your attitude, not because of your skill. Skill ప్రతి వాళ్ళకి ఉంటుంది. Attitude, skill combine అయిన వాళ్ళు పెద్ద అవుతారు. So A for attitude, I am going to talk about the next one called S. S for skill. What is the skill I am talking? You read 100 books about how to cycle, you don't get cycling. మీకు cycling తెలియదు. If you start cycling, then you get to know how it is cycling. Any skill is like that. Your communication. Communication is a skill. మీరందరూ బొమ్మరిల్లు సినిమా చూసారా? చిన్నప్పుడు మీరు చిన్న పిల్లలు బహుశా బొమ్మరిల్లు సినిమా చూసారా? ఎస్ఆర్నో? లాస్ట్ సీన్ భలే ఉంటుంది కదా, ఎస్ఆర్నో? సిద్ధార్థ్ అంటారు కదా, నాన్న అంతా మీరే చేశారు, మీ క్యారమ్ బోర్డ్ ఎక్కడ పెట్టాలో మీరే చెప్పారు, రోడ్ ఎలా క్రాస్ అవ్వాలో మీరే చెప్పారు, ఏ షర్ట్ ఎలా వేసుకోవాలో మీరే చెప్పారు. ఎస్ మై డియర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, దట్ వాజ్ ఎ సూపర్ హిట్ సినిమా. బట్ మై సింపుల్ క్వశ్చన్ ఈస్ దట్ if the scene was in the beginning of a film, not at the climax of a film, there was no story. Start communicating with people. If you have any doubt in the classroom, raise your hand and then say, I did not get it. Can you explain me? At the most, ma'am or sir will say, come to the staff room, we will take it offline. No teacher will say, sit down. No teacher is going to say. Talk to your parents. Tell them that the world has changed. No longer I need to sit at the library. It's only Google. I can learn everything. Tell them that there is an app. Tell them that this and that. Talk to people. I know 98% of the engineers today fail because of they don't have communication skills. The third skill, team building skills. Team building. Once it has so happened, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, all the members met for a meeting, and then after the meeting they want to take a photograph. 9 said, I am the eldest, let me stand in the center. 8 said, I am the fattest, let me stand in the center. 7 said, I represent 7 wonders. 6 said, I am great. 5 said, I am great. 4 said, I am great. 3 said, I am great. 2 said, I am great. 1 said, I am great. Out of frustration, 9 slapped 8. 8 slapped 7. 7 slapped 6. 6 slapped 5. 5 slapped 4. 4 slapped 3. 3 slapped 2. 2 slapped 1. 1, instead of slapping 0, it went aside, put a hand around 0. Both of them now have become 10. Please understand the power of synergy. Please understand how can you join with somebody. Please understand how can you build a teams. Tomorrow you are not going, whether you are an entrepreneur, whether you are a business person, whether you are something else, you are not going to work all together. You need to work in teams. Understanding others' problems and then estimating other strength is called team building. Please work for a team. Your skills, leadership is a skill, time management is a skill, innovation. You close a book, open it, you find a word called friend. You again close it, open that book. Now you may find a word called enemy. Supposingly, if I am there in your position, I put a question to myself, how can I mix both the words and write something? How can we write, sir? Friend ante స్నేహితుడు, enemy ante శత్రువు, వీళ్ళిద్దరిని కలిపి ఎలా రాయాలి? Is the question that minds you. But I am saying, think for a while, you get the answer. If you don't behave properly, your friend will become enemy. If you behave properly, your enemy will become friend. Only thinking teaches you all these things. That is called innovation. Do it in something different. Do it something different. Once it has so happened, in a class of grade 2, second class లో టీచర్ రాలేదు. వీళ్ళందరూ పిల్లలు అల్లరి చేస్తున్నారు. ప్రిన్సిపాల్ కాల్ ద డ్రాయింగ్ టీచర్ అండ్ ఆస్క్డ్ హిమ్ టు మైండ్ ద క్లాస్. డ్రాయింగ్ టీచర్ వచ్చాడు, అందరూ జంప్ చేస్తున్నారు. ఎట్ దట్ టైమ్ టీచర్ సెడ్, కిడ్స్ లెట్స్ ప్లే ఏ గేమ్. అందరూ హే గేమ్ అని దే వర్ ఆల్ సిట్టింగ్ ఓవర్ దేర్. వన్ ఫ్యాట్ chubby guy, very smart boy, said, what is the game, sir? Teacher said, let me explain. Each one of you will take a chalk piece. మీలో ప్రతి ఒక్కళ్ళు ఒక చాక్ పీస్ తీసుకుని బ్లాక్ బోర్డ్ మీద యూ డ్రా ఏ స్ట్రేట్ లైన్. అనగానే వాడు తుస్ అన్నాడు. What has happened? What is so thrilling this game, sir? Somebody will come and draw like this, somebody will come and draw like this. But the teacher said, it is not over. Each one of you should draw a straight line which is different from the earlier straight line. పక్కవాడు గీసిన దానికంటే విభిన్నంగా ఉండాలి, జరా హట్కే అయినా చెప్పింది. The tussle started. One girl went and then she has drawn a vertical line. Other girl went and drawn a horizontal line. Game should have ended here, but the third boy went and drawn a slant line. Teacher said, this is cheating. He said, it's not cheating, sir. It's a cross straight line. You look from here, वो सीधा दिखता है. Teacher said, fantastic. Then came another girl. She has drawn like this. What is this? Sir, that was left down and right up, sir. This is left up and right down, sir. Different from the earlier one. Teacher said, fantastic. One intelligent boy came, took the chalk, and then he has put dash, 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 4 dashes. Teacher said, is it a straight line? Yes, it is a straight line, sir. He said that. Can explain how dashes can be straight line? Sir, it is a 2-color line. You are seeing only one color. It is a black and white line. Now you see, sir. Now you see, sir, black, white, black, white, black, white. Teacher said, fantastic. Taking a cue from this, another girl came. Wherever there was a blank, she put it white. Wherever there was a white, she left it blank and then said, sir, that was black and white straight line. This is white and black straight line, different from the earlier straight line. Teacher said, fantastic. Then came another chalk piece. Another girl, she took a chalk piece like this and then she drawn a broad line like this. Teacher said, is it a straight line? Yes, sir. It is a straight line with black border up and down. Black border is merged with the black board. What can I do it? Teacher said, very good. Then came another boy, broke the chalk into 2 pieces and then he has drawn 2 lines, parallel lines, one below the other. Teacher said, this is cheating for core. I wanted you to draw 1 line. Why did you draw 2 lines? He said, it's only 1 line, sir. How can you call 2 lines as a 1 line? Sir, listen. It's a broad black line with white border up and down, sir. You are only seeing the borders, you are not seeing the line in between, sir. Teacher said, very good. By this time, everyone has done with their job. That fat guy was there. Teacher said, come, you do it. He said, నేను రాను సార్. Why? నేను వస్తా, నేను ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తా, మీకు అర్థం కాదు, తర్వాత మీరు బాధపడతారు. నేను ఎందుకు బాధపడతారా? నా స్టూడెంట్ ఈజ్ మోర్ ఇంటెలిజెంట్ దెన్ మీ అని బాధపడతారు సార్. I don't want to come. Teacher said, fine, we learn from the students also, please come here. He took the chalk, slowly moving, he went to the blackboard, he just put 1 dot, ఒక చుక్క పెట్టాడు అంతే. టీచర్ కోపం వచ్చి, హలో, వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్? I told you that you cannot match my intelligence. Fine, tell me what is this? It's a straight line. How can you call dot as a straight line? Sir, it's a straight line like this, sir. You are seeing only this part. Actual line is behind the blackboard, he said. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, young minds, innovation is here, mindset is here. If you think you can, you can. If you think you can't, you can't. Nothing is special brain for Rajamouli or Ramoji Rao. They only think. They only think. Abraham Lincoln says, if I have 8 hours of time to chop a tree, if I have 8 hours of time to chop a tree, I will sharpen my axe for 6 hours. What is sharpened as is planning. All these are your skills. Then the third one, K, knowledge. I am done. K, knowledge. Knowledge means acquiring knowledge. If you want to draw from ATM, there need to be balance in your account. Similarly, if you want to draw from the life, there need to be a knowledge balance. Ask attitude, skill and knowledge makes you unique, special and then distinctly different. Abdul Kalam is my role model. I want to die the way he has died. This is a wonderful job what this organization is doing. I am also actively involved. Request you to participate, involve yourself. One quotation of Abdul Kalam which motivates me a lot is that black is sentimentally bad for many occasions, but look at the blackboard, it transforms millions of students, he says that. Ladies and gentlemen, it's an opportunity for me to interact with you. Thank you very much. Over to the organizers.